In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reduce or compress PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat quick and easy tutorial. If you've ever tried to share a PDF by email or upload it to a website and ran into size limits, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple and make sure you preserve your original file while creating a smaller, more shareable version. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you are using Acrobat and not just a browser preview, so you have access to the compression tools. Once your document is open, look to the top left for the main menu. Click that and choose Compress a PDF. This option is designed to shrink your file by optimizing images, removing unnecessary data and tightening up the content behind the scenes, all without changing the way the document looks to your readers. If you prefer a more traditional menu route, here is an alternative path that does the same thing. Go to File, then choose Save as Other, and select Reduce Size PDF. Both options are valid. Use whichever you find quicker in your version of Acrobat. It's good to know both because the interface can look a little different depending on updates. When the settings window appears, keep the default compatibility set to retain existing and click OK. Retain existing simply means Acrobat will keep the document compatible with the version it was created for. So people using older or newer versions of PDF readers should still be able to open it without problems. This default strikes a nice balance between size reduction and broad compatibility, so you don't have to overthink it. Next, save the file with a new name to keep your original intact. This is important. By giving the compressed file a distinct name, something like compressed ULL, always have the untouched original to go back to if you need full resolution images, or if you want to try a different compression method later. Saving to a familiar folder also makes it easy to locate the new version when you are ready to attach it to an email or upload it online. That's it. Thanks for watching.